How to build a mind no one can break. There's a very specific moment in life that tells you whether your mind is strong or whether it's just pretending. It's not the moment you fail. It's not the moment someone hurts you. It's the moment you realize you had no control over how you reacted. A friend once told me, I wasn't broken by what happened. I was broken by the way I fell apart. And that sentence hit me harder than anything I've heard in years. Because if you don't understand your breaking point, someone else will. And trust me, the world knows exactly where to press. Why minds break. People think their minds break because life is difficult. Wrong. A mind breaks because it was never built to handle pressure in the first place. Example 1, the sudden argument. Someone snaps at you unexpectedly, and your brain just freezes. Not because you're weak, but because your mind was never trained to stay calm under impact. The emotional trigger. One person knows exactly what to say to make you lose your center. That's not their power, that's your unguarded mind. Weakness doesn't show when things are calm, it shows when life gets loud. The first reaction law. Your first reaction is the window into the true strength of your mind. Strong minds don't react fast, they react correctly. Think of the last time someone disrespected you. Did you explode? Did you shut down? Did you replay the moment for hours? Most people don't lose to the situation, they lose to their reaction. Control your first reaction, and you control the entire situation. Knowing your break point. Every mind has a breaking point, but strong minds know exactly where it is. Most people avoid their weaknesses. Unbreakable people study them. Life example, the person who controls you. We all have that one person whose opinion hits harder than anyone else's. When they criticize you, it breaks something inside. Not because they're special, but because that's your unhealed spot. You can't fix what you refuse to face. The rewrite. Your mind is a machine, but most people are running outdated software. You're basically on Windows 95 while life is running in 2025. If you want a mind no one can break, you must rewrite your emotional code. That means sit with emotions instead of escaping them. Pause before reacting. Say no even when your voice shakes. Choose discomfort over avoidance. Every emotional rewrite makes your mind harder to control. The tests life will throw at you. Test 1, silence under pressure. Someone confronts you, your body wants to panic, your mind wants to run, but you stay still. That moment builds you. Test 2, walking away from manipulation. Some people don't deserve a reaction, and the moment you walk away, you break their power over you forever. Test 3, emotional delayed response. Before you answer, you breathe, you watch, and then you decide. These tests don't make you stronger. You make yourself stronger by passing them. Comment question. Let me ask you something. What's the one thing that gets inside your mind the fastest? A fear? A person? A memory? Write it below, because naming your weakness is how you take its power. The evolution. An unbreakable mind isn't hard, it's trained. It's the result of thousands of tiny choices. Choosing calm over chaos, choosing clarity over reaction, choosing boundaries over pleasing, choosing truth over comfort, choosing discipline over distraction. Slowly, you stop being impressed by pressure, you stop being controlled by fear, you stop being broken by life. Because you finally understand something important. Strength isn't what you show the world. Strength is what you can survive inside yourself. If something in this video hit you harder than you expected, if you felt a shift, even a small one, then you already know you're in the right place. Inner mechanics isn't motivation, it's a transformation. And if you're ready to build a mind no one can break, you know what to do next.